The brain is visualized as a browser with numerous tabs open, symbolizing cognitive processing. Some tabs play music, representing active cognitive stimulation, while others are frozen, illustrating dysfunction. This setup represents the cognitive overload experienced by individuals with both autism and ADHD. Autistic individuals often require rigid routines and structured schedules for stability. ADHD can manifest as a drive for spontaneity and an aversion to rigid schedules. The juxtaposition of these opposing needs can create internal conflict. An individual aims to commence work precisely at 9 a.m., reflecting a need for structured routine. Distractions and impulsivity, driven by ADHD, impede the ability to focus and adhere to the planned schedule. The conflict between the desire for order and the reality of distraction leads to frustration from unmet expectations. A to-do list reflects an attempt at organization through color coding. The to-do list remains incomplete, visually representing the struggle to maintain focus. The overwhelming nature of the list highlights the difficulty in prioritizing tasks effectively. Hyperfocus involves intense concentration on a project, causing a perceived distortion of time. Complete absorption in a task leads to a loss of awareness of the surrounding environment. During hyperfocus, individuals often lose track of the passage of time. Sensory overload is characterized by an excessive influx of environmental stimuli. Individuals with autism may experience heightened sensitivity to stimuli, such as bright lights, loud noises, and certain textures. In contrast, individuals with ADHD may actively seek out sensory stimulation. Individuals with autism may exhibit intense focus on specific interests, leading to extended monologues during social interactions. Impulsivity, a characteristic of ADHD, can cause abrupt topic shifts, disrupting conversational flow. The combination of focused interests and impulsivity can create challenges in maintaining balanced, reciprocal social exchanges. Masking autistic traits involves forcing eye contact, which requires significant effort and concentration. Scripting conversations is a common masking strategy, demanding mental rehearsal and suppression of natural communication styles. Masking ADHD includes suppressing fidgeting and feigning attention, actions that require considerable cognitive resources. Stimming is a self-soothing behavior used to aid focus and manage sensory input. The urge to stim can be suppressed due to social expectations and fear of judgment. Suppressing stimming creates an internal conflict between the need for self-regulation and the desire for social acceptance. ADHD's divergent thinking enables the generation of a wide array of potential solutions. Autism's attention to detail allows for the meticulous refinement and optimization of these solutions. The combination of these cognitive styles can lead to innovative solutions and creative breakthroughs. Hyperfocus on a special interest can lead to the development of deep knowledge and expertise. Dedicated focus allows for the mastery of complex skills and the accumulation of detailed information. Passionate dedication to a specific area can result in a high level of proficiency and innovative contributions. The brain contains distinct areas that govern the need for routine and the craving for spontaneity. These areas within the brain are in constant communication, influencing decision-making processes. The interaction between these areas can lead to internal conflict, as the need for routine clashes with the desire for spontaneity. Autism is characterized by an intense focus on specific sensory details, often to the exclusion of others. ADHD involves a simultaneous seeking of multiple stimuli, leading to a broad but potentially diffuse sensory experience. Sensory input can be visualized as a spectrum, with autism and ADHD representing different points along this continuum. This scene illustrates contrasting communication styles. One style is characterized by highly structured and detailed information processing. The other style involves rapid topic, jumping, and associative thinking. Emotional regulation faces challenges, including intense focus on specific emotions, as seen in autism. Rapid shifts in emotional state also pose a significant challenge to emotional regulation, common in ADHD. These contrasting emotional patterns highlight the diverse challenges in emotional regulation. Autism and ADHD can complicate the interpretation of social cues. Subtle social signals may be missed or misinterpreted due to sensory and attentional differences. The combination of autism and ADHD can lead to difficulties in accurately understanding intentions. Detailed task planning reflects a need for structure and predictability. Difficulty initiating tasks can lead to procrastination and incomplete projects. The simultaneous need for structure and struggle with initiation creates task management challenges. Cognitive flexibility involves adapting to unexpected changes and shifting between different tasks. Challenges in cognitive flexibility can manifest as difficulty in adjusting to new information or altered priorities. Visual representations highlight the mental effort required to overcome cognitive inflexibility. Hyperfocus involves intense concentration on specific interests, leading to a heightened state of cognitive engagement. Difficulty maintaining attention on non-engaging tasks results in reduced cognitive processing and decreased focus. Attention span varies significantly depending on the level of intrinsic motivation and perceived relevance of the task. Impulse control involves the ability to resist sudden urges or temptations. Challenges in impulse control can manifest as difficulty focusing or resisting distractions. Effective impulse control strategies include delaying gratification and practicing mindfulness. Self-discovery involves recognizing one's unique combination of traits and characteristics. Understanding one's strengths and weaknesses is crucial for personal growth and development. Effective self-management requires the ability to regulate emotions and behaviors. Support systems, including therapy, provide individuals with tools to manage challenges. Coaching helps individuals identify and leverage their inherent strengths. Peer support fosters a sense of community and shared understanding. Assistive technology provides tools that enhance capabilities within the workplace. Modified work environments adapt workspaces to meet individual needs. Accommodations foster a supportive and accessible environment for all employees. A strengths-based approach focuses on the talents and skills that emerge from the combination of autism and ADHD. Creativity is a key strength, often found in individuals with both autism and ADHD. Exceptional problem-solving skills and passionate expertise are common talents associated with this neurodiversity. There is no single right way to be. Neurodiversity encompasses a spectrum of cognitive styles and abilities. Individuals with autism and ADHD possess unique strengths and perspectives that can greatly benefit society. Embracing neurodiversity fosters a more inclusive and innovative environment for everyone.